Okay, so I did wire up the wire nuts and I pushed them into the electrical box using this method. Now I'm going to actually mount the wall light using these screw caps. So hopefully there's enough space in here, but basically this is already wired and all I have to do is mount it. Oh, the stool fell, but that's a good thing. It gives me enough space to wire this, and all I have to do is put it into those screw holes like this, and that's it. Temporarily the screws hold up the fixture, but now I have to actually put in the bolts, the screw caps. So these are the screw caps. Over here there's a washer that prevents water from going in, and there's a screw cap. So I'm going to do one at a time. First put in this one over here. There goes in, and then use this screw cap. Make it nice and tight, the screw cap. Later on I'll be sealing this with silicone, but for now this is holding it up. I'll make sure it's nice and tight so that the fixture is as close to the wall as it can be. And then I remove the other screw cap, put it in my pocket here so it's nice and reachable. And hopefully this fixture is straight. I already checked the bracket to make sure it was straight, and it looks straight. Maybe we can just look at it from how it looks from a distance to make sure it's still straight after we finish the installation. One thing is that I have to find a way to test the electrical connections because it's daylight, and this particular fixture, actually, you know what, I installed this upside down. This should have been on the top, so I'm going to remove it and reinstall it. This open area should be at the bottom and this closed area should be on the top. The light should be facing down, not facing up. So I'm going to remove this and reinstall it, which should be quite easy. Just unscrew this cap top like this. Gotta be careful not to drop this. Oh boy, I think I dropped one of the washers. I'll have to go find it later. It's hard to find it when it falls down in the bushes, but I will find it. Now I just remove this and put it the other way around. Turn it upside down this other way and put in the screws again. And I'm going to install one bolt with the washer